Now, here's a question that I get asked a lot. I have just attempted a yearly past paper, and even though I'm done with the syllabus, but I'm still not getting good marks. What do I do? Now, if this is you, the good news is you're not alone. Let's break the situation down and understand why you're not getting good marks. Now, first of all, the thing is, you can't expect yourself to remember everything that you've learned so far. So when you're starting out with yearly past papers, the objective is to not test yourself, but do revision through past papers. Here's what you need to do. For the first 2-3 years of past papers, your objective should not be to get good grades. In fact, don't even total your marks. There is no point. Just try to complete the paper. It doesn't matter how long it takes or what you have to do. So let's say you're stuck at a question, refer to your notes, ask your friend or teacher, or refer to the marking scheme if you have to. Doesn't matter. Just complete the paper. That's your only objective. Then for the next couple of years of past papers, raise the bar slightly. That means try and not exceed the time limit by a lot. Try and not refer to your notes or marking scheme when you get stuck. And surely by now, you would have noticed a significant improvement. You will now be able to recall all the relevant formulas, concepts, and won't have to ask anyone for help. And now use this momentum to get better and better. And I can guarantee that if you do this, then no one can stop you from getting that A star. Make sure to like this video and follow or subscribe for more.